Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to walk through how to fix bad facial and body features in AI images using Stable Diffusion with ComfyUI. This is similar to automatic 1111 higher fix, which allows you to rectify odd facial expressions and hand positions in generated images. With ComfyUI, you can achieve this with a straightforward node-based workflow and also upscale AI images, all within the same process. The link to access this workflow is provided in the video description. Let's dive into some examples and explore how each node works in this workflow. For our demonstration, I'll be using text prompts from civitai.com. I'll begin by pasting the text prompts into the workflow and configuring the sampler settings according to my preferences. I've set the sampling steps to 40 and randomized the seed number for varied image generation results. In the checkpoint loader, I'm using Magic Mix Realistic version 6, which is a capable checkpoint model, even though newer versions are available. With these settings in the text-to-image node, we are ready to move forward. The Save Image node allows us to preview the first generated image. Now let's continue up the node diagram. We'll use the Latent Upscale node for image enhancement. Adjacent to Upscale Latent, there's a K-sampler node, similar to Hires Fix in Automatic 1111, designed for generating enhanced images. We'll also need a VAE decode node after K-sampler to produce the output and a Save Image node for the fixed image. To better organize the workflow, I'll create a group and change its color and title for clarity. Now, for the Upscale Latent node, you'll find options for upscaling methods. You can experiment with different methods to suit your image. The width and height are set to 1024 pixels, upscaling the image from the initial 512 pixels. This process focuses mainly on refining facial or body features, particularly the character's face. Within the case sampler of this group, make sure to use the same sampling steps and sampler method as the sample below. This way, you can create a latent upscale image based on your first generated image. However, the denoise setting should be adjusted to 0.5, not too high or too low, as this value will affect the image's quality. If you set it to 0.3, you'll notice a less detailed and pixelated result in the latent upscale. I will show you why. For example, I set the noise to 0.3 and you will see what happened in the latent upscale result. As you can see, it created image in this group that is blur with big pixel. Basically, it just upsizes the image from the generated image to 1024x 1024. Pixels without enhancement on pixels to make it more detail, and we test one with 0.5. Okay? Let me align both image result together and you will see the difference. Now, let's align both images side by side to observe the difference. The blue group involves the image upscaling process. Here, you can utilize upscaler models to enhance your images, similar to the extra tab in Automatic 1111. To access this upscaler node, double-click on the diagram background and search for Image Upscale with Model. Then, use the Load Upscale Model node to select the upscale models you have downloaded. Ensure that you've saved the model files to the ComfyUI models upscale models folder path to use them. For this example, I've chosen the 4x Ultra Sharp model. Align all three save image nodes and generate again to see the difference in image quality. The first two images illustrate the transformation from a robotic and unusual face to a more human-like appearance, with added texture details in the background. You can open these images in a new tab for a closer look. The first one, and the latent upscale one here. Look at the face in the shirt, more detail happening. Compare with this. And the black skirt as well. And finally, we look at the upscaled image. Even better. So yes, this is it for this ComfyUI tutorial, a very simple and effective way to create better images using Stable Diffusion. By just using simple nodes, you're able to create higher quality images. In conclusion, this ComfyUI tutorial provides a simple and effective method for improving image quality using Stable Diffusion. By employing these easy-to-understand nodes, you can create higher quality images. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and give this video a like. The workflow file is available in the video description. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.